me, but allow me. When I drove through that place, my heart began to bleed because I saw that that land which was green, if you remember in the 70s, the 80s, and part of the 90s, Chambeshi was a very green place, but I saw it turning brown. I saw factories where there was wonderful forest. I'm speaking at the wrong end, and I think I was the wrong person Zaki sent, but I felt pain with what I saw. And I've said, what have we done to an environment at the expense of development? Our country has gone. You drive along Kafue River, you'll find our products. In fact, I refuse to drink water from the bottles because I am contributing to a problem. I'm contributing to a problem because some of these products cause the tree to be cut, cause carbon dioxide to be released in the air. You'll be pointing fingers at me tomorrow and say, when you were sitting as a CEO of a company, when you were sitting at the board, when you were sitting in parliament, you were still doing something wrong. Together, each one of us can achieve more by taking responsibility for what it is. It's not about you. It's not about the other person, but it's about us as a collective. We need to take responsibility for the things. The shoes you wear, that's an animal that was killed. Excuse me.
Thank you very much, Mr. Lawrence. I think I love that. I'm not sure whether I should take off my shoes now, but I think the message has been made very clear and very strong. Certainly, the request to join the team as an ambassador, that's an invitation to get accessible. And I'm delighted, as you all heard this morning, that the Minister of Lands and Natural Resources is now an ambassador for the New Deal for nature and people. And I'm delighted that we have Mr. Lawrence here making a similar request. And I think our country director will respond to that at some point, maybe not today. Moving on our agenda, I'll now call the planting medium. Now, I was inspired a few days ago when I was reviewing their work, but we are now moving from planting a million to planting a billion by 2021. Please, Joseph and Manta, who's the technical director, to come to this. Lawrence, and then let me excuse my on the floor before it.
Good evening. I wish to acknowledge the Royal Highnesses who are here. I'd like to thank the WWF for inviting us, ladies and gentlemen present here. I'll just go direct to what Plant a Million is doing, which is Plant a Billion now. Plant a Million, now Plant a Billion, with the theme for WWF for now, which is the New Deal for Nature and People campaign. Plant a Billion, we have a theme which is planting a billion by 2021. Why act now? 100 million trees per year are gone forever by tree cutting, fires, charcoal, poor farming methods, construction, timber harvesting. Gone forever, tree species or water bodies, biodiversity, no food, and then 2 million hectares deforested to date. Annual deforestation of 300,000 hectares require national action plan as now. Plant a Million initiative to plant 2 billion trees by 2021. We need education, land use, conservation management, green community economic development, agriculture, forest development, climate change awareness, natural resources protection, charcoal energy alternative. On this one, Plantain Million is doing, we actually are promoting bamboo as alternative to charcoal and firewood. We have even a plantation and seedlings for solid bamboo, where we are even making charcoal out of solid bamboo, which we want to make as an alternative to people using indigenous trees, especially the Myombo woodland, for making charcoal. So solid bamboo is that's what they are using even in East Africa, in Kenya. You find that most